Hello, my name is Joshua Rudd with Rudd's Home Farm, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to pick kale so the plant keeps growing, giving you delicious and healthy leaves for months. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my website in the description below to get quality gardening tips and products. So these are my kale plants grown with hydroponics. As you may know, kale grows to a large size, but I like to keep my plants small so they fit into my hydroponic system. As you can see, I have already harvested many leaves off these plants and the plant is continuing to grow. I do this by harvesting individual leaves, starting from the bottom and working my way up. And you make sure you leave the top alone. If you clip the top like you would a basil plant, like over here, I clipped this basil. You can see I can clip it right here, just so I didn't want it to grow too high and I wanted it to kind of be more bushy. And you can see over here that it shot out 2 side shoots. If you do that to kale, if you cut the top here, it'll stop growing and then you will no longer get new leaves. To harvest, I use a pair of sterilized scissors and I cut the bottommost leaf as close to the base as I can. Just trying to see if I can zoom in. See that leaf right there? It's the bottom. You just clip it right there, making sure you don't clip the plant or the stem. And then you could put this right in your salad, and it's really healthy and delicious. A great addition to your salad. However, all the healthy stuff is lost within 3 days. Well, 30% of it is lost within 3 days, so you want to make sure you only clip what you're going to eat within a day or 2. You can also just eat it right off the plant. It's very delicious and way better than it tastes in the store. That is delicious. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and go check out my website where I go into much more detail on many gardening topics. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy growing. Bye-bye.